begin. Okay guys, let me start by saying that it's night already. I actually started to vlog, but then something happened and it changed my mood for the whole day, so I did not want to vlog anything. And plus I was also online on Google Classroom until 4. It went after 5, I'm not sure, but it's around that time. Between 4 and 6 o'clock I was on Google Classroom, so I did not get to do what I planned previously to do. But nonetheless, today is just the first day. It's a bit rocky right now. Now you might be looking for daily routines, or what do you call it again, nightly routines, or what do you call those videos again, morning routines. Yes, I'm not the one to do like morning routines because I do not have a morning routine or anything like that. So my vlogs are going to be a bit different. So I am going to show you just a few clips that I add of me doing something during the day, but it's nothing much for today, but it will get better. This vlog is not going to be long, but stay tuned and I will see you soon. So good morning everyone, it's Vlogmas day 1. I'm not sure how this Vlogmas is going to go for this December because of you know what. So we see how today goes. So right now I'm already at work and I have a lot to do. I have so much things to do.
So right here I am using the Wi-Fi somewhere, and I was on Google Classroom and WhatsApping my students.
Since I've not done a vlog today, I just want to say thank you guys very much for subscribing. All my new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for sharing. Thank you very much for commenting, for those who are commenting on my videos. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate what you're doing. As I said before, my vlogs might be a bit noisy because my kids are everywhere. So pardon the noise in the background. But again, Inktober was really a blessing. I've learned so much doing Inktober. Okay guys, so this is actually the aftermath of Inktober. Everything is like everywhere. So this is my little art section here and it's horrible. And I really like to push myself to do like daily vlogs or daily videos because it helps me a lot to grow and to understand certain things and to understand what you guys like in terms of my videos. So it has been a blessing to just upload for you guys. Guys, you can also comment down below and tell me what videos you want to see for Artmas. I'm not going to say Vlogmas anymore, it's now Artmas. I'm very excited for Artmas. I hope you guys are enjoying your day so far, your December so far. Tomorrow I'm actually going to get to do what I plan to do. So, and by the way, this video is going to be late because my internet service is down and it takes a while for the videos to upload. So these couple of vlogs will be late until I get my internet service back up. God knows when is that, but we will see. They told me that they will come tomorrow, which is December the 2nd, but we will see because they promised me from last week Monday and now it's this week, so we'll see how that goes. It's the same thing as last year because I posted in one of my comments, I think my last video for Inktober, I posted and told you guys that I posted it and told you guys that my internet is down. I hope you guys read the comments. So that is why I did not get to upload all the Inktobers early. And also I'm teaching on Google Classroom, so I cannot post during the week. It has to be on weekends. So that is why my Inktovers were late. So as soon as I get my internet back up, I will try to post daily Artmas this year. Please do not judge me because I'm wearing the same hairstyle from Inktober. As I said in one of my videos, I wear my hairstyle to its full extent. I hope everyone is doing well. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. I will see you tomorrow. Butterfly.
Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, tingle, tingle.